Now I'm going to show you guys how to do a calibration of the XY shift and the Parfocality when you change objectives. So the idea is if you have multiple objectives, when you change objectives, if you have a motorized system, the system will adjust automatically, so you're always in focus, you're always in the right position X and Y day. If we give you an idea before we do the calibration, if we go on live here, so currently we're under 40 and the image is in focus. If you change to 20 without changing the observation method in any way, and we can adjust the exposure time a little bit to bring the image back. You can see it's in focus, not too bad. And if you change to 10, bring it down the exposure a little bit, and you can see some of the images out of the focus because it's 10 times now. And we'll change it to 4. It'll be even more out of focus. So that's what we try to do after the calibration. Hopefully, when you change lenses in between 4, 10, 20 or whatever, the image will automatically come back in focus. So to do the calibration, we again go to start page and go to calibration, and there's XY objective shift and Parfocality calibration. Click on that one. If your microscope doesn't really have a motorized Z drive, and you still have the option, if it's have a motorized X and Y drive or stage, you're still gonna have the option with the calibrate X and Y, but you won't be able to see this option. But in our microscope, we do have the all 3 axes. We can do the 3 axis calibration. So click on the next. Here, just a warning message tell you you're gonna start from the higher power lens. Make sure it won't damage the sample. So click OK. The software is working. So now we're on the 40. This is exposure set automatically, and we can change the focus by manually tuning the knob. Once we're in focus, verify it's in focus, yes, and we go to next. And the software just registers the image and try to change the lens to the next lens. Here the exposure time is wrong, so you can't really see it. Just bring it down. Too dark. Just want to adjust it higher. And we can again adjust the focus. If I think this is the best focus for this sample at this point, we'll just click next. You realize that it takes a little bit of time because the software actually try to calculate at the backstage with all the parameters still changed. Now it's automatically switching to another lens 10 times. Again, we have to adjust the exposure time a little bit. We can bring the image back to focus. And then we click next. Now it's under 4. I can see it's not in focus. Just a little bit. Much better. Click next. And now it's finished. Let's have a look. So if we click on 40, and we go on live, click up the exposure time, put the focus. And if we change to 20, turn down a little bit of the exposure time, you can see the image is in focus. And if we go into 10, and we adjust the exposure time a little bit, and you can see the image is in focus as well. And if we go into 4, yeah, the image is in focus. So that's when you do the XY shift and the Parfocality calibration.